Hey guys, I'm Dwayne Estes, Director of the Southeastern Grasslands Initiative. Today we're down here in Williamson County, Tennessee at Old Town Farm. And I'm really excited because I've found something that I've only seen one time ever in Tennessee. Right behind me, this thicket is a type of wild plum that really speaks to the essence of what this place is and connects to the cultural story of Old Town. So this type of plum is called the Hortulan Plum, and it's mostly a species found in the Midwest. It's very uncommon in Tennessee, and it's called Prunus hortulana. And it's very likely that the Mississippian people who were here between about 1200, 1400 in that general time frame, this would have been one of their favorite food plants come summertime. And so it's already past flowering. It's a great species for pollinators. The leaves are now emerging. And then what we would look for in mid to late summer would be ripe plums. And so we like to call this a storyteller species. And what it's related to here, of course, is the fact that, you know, when we think about grassland restoration, we think about grasses and wildflowers. It's equally important for us to think about shrublands or thickets. And so this, as we prepare to restore this meadow, this is definitely one thing that should stay. And we should try to make sure that we embrace this native shrubland thicket. So thank you guys for joining in.